A PIL has been moved in the Supreme Court seeking a court-monitored special investigation team probe into the Murshidabad violence. The plea has sought a court order to call for an explanation from the West Bengal government over the failure of the state to maintain law and order in Murshidabad. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Srishti Ojha for more. Srishti, who's the petitioner? What's the prayer?
Gaurav, the PIL has been filed by a lawyer, Shashank Shekhar Jha, who sought directions from the top court through his PIL for a court-monitored SIT probe into the incidents of violence at Murshidabad. Not just that, he's gone a step ahead and he said that the top court should also call for an explanation from the state of West Bengal as to why there's no public law and order in place and why did they let this violence escalate and this situation happen. So they've also sought an explanation from the state of West Bengal. He's called the top court to pass directions to ensure that the violence doesn't escalate and also to protect the rights and liberties of the persons who are there. According to him, urgent intervention is needed from the top court to issue directions so fundamental rights of those who are now being affected there due to the violence, whose rights are now being violated, can be protected. So he's called for urgent intervention from the Supreme Court, stating that fundamental rights of these individuals need to be protected. And not just that, in his petition, he's also pointed out that there's a repeated pattern of such incidents as far as the state of West Bengal is concerned, and that is also something that the court should consider. When this
Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.